samoi ialehkai ustem araja arpun riu jong Shillong Sports Association kelas dang negasni Plie Hamadan SSA Shillong da kajing pli pajba menteri rangba Conrad Gesangma ubalai shimmenta hakajing lang kumu kongsan Hakini kajing lang lawan bani shimmenta ru da menteri ketanat Sports and Youth Affairs ba awailat piki shilla kum usimbut kongsan Menteri kami ialehkai barim bat Presiden ka SSA ba Bantai Dor Lingdo nalor kinong kitkam jong ka association kikun hun ialehkai ba shimmenta kirang ialehkai bat kiriu eat football. Hagani ka jingalang menteri rangwa ulapin benapat baru balapli ka samoi ialehkai football arhaja arpun riu. Wat ulapin her ya kalama ka SSA kum kadak ka jingpin sedang ya ka jing ialehkai league ka samoi. Habakren cakirang ialehkai kinong penyat bat kiriu eat football UCM ulai kublai ya ka Meghalaya Football Association bat ya ka Shillong Sports Association. Namar ka jingai persang baklem sange jangki hagaban pinklan ya ka jing ialehkai football hapo ka jela. Ulaong baka football kabat ya kajaka bakerpang ha kado nut jong kinong song ka jela bat kisamla ka Meghalaya kijupin i ya kijing i bha ya kini kijing ialehkai habaya thu ru ya ka thong jong ka sarkar ban pinlong ya ka Meghalaya bat khamtam ka Shillong kum ka nongba jong ka jing ialehkai football ne football capital ka ri India Hagani ka jingalang la aismo bharu ya ki jersey ka SSA bat ki mementos shaki kinrem kilindan kajing pin ithu ya kin honi ialehkai ba shimmenta bat kajing sundur lang bat kirang ialehkai no lor kinong penyat ya kani ka samoi ialehkai lo atribon da kajing ialehkai sedang hapadeng ka mauniang la Youth Sports Association bat ka sei la sub FCC kabla pinbud hadin kajing lang Plie
Once again, I wish all the teams the very best. In the first year, when the SSA had come and requested for support, I had sanctioned 28 lakhs from my Chief Minister's special grant. Last year, somehow the budget went up and I sanctioned 30 lakhs last year from my CMSG for this particular league. And this year also the budget has again gone up. So now the amount has gone up even more, but I may not be able to give all the amount that they require, but with my tradition of supporting a bit more compared to last year. So last year I had supported with 30 lakhs. I'm happy to announce that I will be giving 32 lakhs this year to SSA to conduct this particular tournament in a successful manner. And once again, I wish all the teams that are present out here the very best for the tournament. Please remember, winning and losing is a part of game and a part of life. What is important is how you perceive the game. What is important is what you learn out of it. What is important is how you come out of it. How you dedicate yourself. How you work hard, how you discipline yourself, and how you become a good sports person who will accept victory and defeat in the same humble manner. And that is really what the sportsman spirit is about. And I think that is what the larger message as a government is what we would like to give the youth of our state. That we would like sports to be part of every single youth's life. Not because each one will become a superstar, but because sportsmanship is a very, very important part of every single student and youngster's life. Once again, wish the SSA and wish all the clubs the very best. Thank you very much.